your fingers. So sir, do you know what will happen next? Any idea? Let's see. Now let's put in our money bird. Body. Body. Nice. Over. Oh, he gets the money. What you gonna do, Body? He flies back. And I think Body will donate the money. A round of applause for Dollar. Grace, Rita, I have a question. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Sure? But how you love the sun, you'll go along the way. And you are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Nice! One more! Sweet! How about on your hand? Knees over your palm.